All right, today we're gonna bring a nice beautiful water fountain. If you can see it, it's a Peacock in there, and this is very fragile, so just be careful. You put in your water in there and you're gonna connect your pump in there, and I'm gonna show you 3 pieces that are available here. So you get the actual crystal ball here that goes right in the center, that flows and actually rolls out and waterfall. It comes to the first waterfall and then the second waterfall, and it recycles back in there. Now the pump, if you guys can see, it's a little tiny little pump. You do need to connect it, and there's LED lights that are going to light up the whole thing. LED lights. The pump goes in the middle, and follow the instructions. Very simple. They do give the instructions how to follow up, and this is perfect, quiet, nice little thing that we're going to set up. So let's go ahead and set it up. So you put the LED lights in the loop, if you guys can see the plastic, and then the pump here. Now it has positive and negative for the actual speed and the actual suction of the pump, so you could lower it down really low or you could have it fast. All right, so we're going to set it up. We're going to fill this up to the line. Let's take a look at the actual setup itself. All right, you had to fill it up a little bit more so you could actually get the pump going, but look at it, how beautiful and gorgeous the ball actually rotates. I'm gonna come back at night because it's daytime right now, but it looks wonderful. I'm gonna hide the cable more in the back so you won't see it, but this makes perfect for an entrance somewhere to eye catch. It's very eye catching, very soothing, very quiet. Just hearing the water just fall. Beautiful little peacock, little statue with its own pump. We'll come back at night and see how beautiful it looks. All right, this is at night. The LED changes, illuminates the area. Beautiful, calm, quiet. Hope you guys enjoy the video.